What's up, guys? Today we're making a video about super cringy. My lady, what do you want? I want a cup of latte. A cup of latte serving you right now, sweetheart. You're making me cringe. Let me hold your hand. It's just me. And I'm gonna impress you. I'm gonna do a backflip just for you, my lady. And 3, 2, and 1. Ow, that really hurt. Ow. I did all that for you, my lady. You know what? This short is too cringy. I'm gonna have to pause the video. Bye.